going to be Dollywood's old classic book sale. This is one of the last operating book sales. That's the home of that world famous cinnamon bread. If you haven't tried any of that cinnamon bread, you definitely need to. I'd get 2 rooms open. One is definitely not going to make it back to the car. They also keep on waving to get in front with everybody, and I'll tell you a little bit about this roller. Take the history you're right behind. December the 7th, 1941, family attack on Pearl Harbor and the U.S. involvement in World War II. After attacking Hawaii, it was determined that a military highway would be needed to protect lives from an invasion. In 1942, as they tried to take over the White Pass Yukon Railroad west there in Skagway, Alaska, using the move the materials and the personnel needed to build the Alcan Military Highway. In April of 1943, the Baldwin locomotive works at Eddystone, Pennsylvania, built our narrow gauge and Mahoney style engine number 192. It weighs about 211,000 pounds, 6 units of coal fire. It's been driven by 282 locomotives. Configuration of the engine got 2 small wheels in the front, a large drive wheel in the middle, and 2 small wheels in the back. After engine 192 is built, she was shipped up to the White Pass and Yukon Railroad in Skagway, Alaska. Supplies on thousands of troops and other personnel travel behind this engine and others just like her. Some took 34 train stays before the road construction, and in only 9 months, what they said being possible became possible. The Alcan Military Highway was completed. Bet y'all didn't realize you're being pulled up this mountain by a true veteran of World War II. Here at Dollywood, we're proud of all of our veterans from all ranks of the military, and our thoughts and prayers go out to those on active duty today. After World War II was over, engine 192 remained on the White Pass Yukon Railroad until her retirement in 1960. But in 1961, she was sold to an East Tennessee Park and Rebel Railroad. That's when she affectionately became known as Klondike Katie. He's not watching where he's going. Now, Klondike Katie has remained with us through the years and the evolution of the park. From Rebel Railroad to Over Instruction, to Silver Dollar City, Tennessee, and on to the present day, Dollywood, where she continues her tradition of hard work. Now, y'all just sit back and relax and listen to Klondike Katie pull us up the Iron Mountain. We're rolling through the financial district. If you look to your right, there's a bank. And if you look to your left, there's another bank. Y'all better laugh now. That's the best joke in this whole ride. blue smoke. The smoky mountains are the natural habitat for more flowering plants and trees anywhere else in the United States. Even the